Federal judges are holding DHS and ICE in contempt of court. What does this mean? First off, we have federal judges that are appointed by the Tangerine Twat Waffle in the Oval Circus in hopes that they're going to do exactly what he wants, ruling against him and his dysfunctional merry men of misfits we all call ICE agents being held in contempt of court. Why? Because they're violating constitutional laws or the laws of the land. Either way, contempt charges are being handed down to DHS and ICE. And what is going to happen? Nothing. Because who's going to impose the laws or the rules and enforce those contempt charges? Because if the judges can't rely on the very people that are law enforcement, that are supposed to be upholding the law because they're too busy violating the law, then our judicial system is already broken. But nobody wants to talk about that. Because the reality is this. While all of these judges are ruling against Trump and his administration, who's going to enforce those rulings? Who's going to bring down justice to the people violating the laws or the Constitution, when it's the very people that we put into office to uphold those laws, to uphold the Constitution, and protect the people of this country? Because right now, the Tangerine Twat Waffle doesn't seem interested in protecting U.S. citizens. He's only interested in helping his 1% buddies skirt the law, profit from everything that he does, and he's wanting to evade his day in court by inflicting war on other countries. And while he's doing all of this, our allies are distancing themselves. Our enemies are starting to seem more like allies because he's aligning himself with the people that we saw as enemies, and he's distancing himself from the allies that used to stand with us during every single war conflict. And that's what's happening right now in real time. So federal judges ruling against DHS should be a warning sign, but the fact of who's going to actually impose those rulings when it's time to actually, bring people to justice.